Hey, this is Tim here. I hope hope everyone is doing well. Today is the last day of term, and I just wanted to show you a quick project that a couple of students did for a capstone. I try and encourage as many students to build me a display so I can put it outside the room and lure potential students in here. So, Abby, it's a Traverson. And Jonathan Fons. Why don't you say hello to the camera there?
Hello.
A pair of great students. So look, that's it. Abby and Jonathan, can you tell me what I'm looking at?
Okay, so we have an AC motor connected to our shaft with a Lovejoy coupling because the shafts were different sizes. Then we have the helical gears connected to our sprockets, which is driving the chain drive up to the top, and the V-belt drive over to our gears.
Yeah, and then from spur gears down, we got gear chain coming down to minor gear setup.
What sort of madness or what?
There was some shaft misalignment here.
Yeah.
So we use U-joints to get it up to the different level over here, back to helical gears, and then up timing belt to a worm drive. And here's the timer.
It's powered with a PLC that's got the timer running for 15 seconds.
No, it's awesome. Now, where's the PLC? Can I go underneath it? Oh, there it is right there. Yeah. Nice. Let's run it again. I was thinking about putting something beside, like, do not press. We need to put something beside that button, like, I don't know, something funny anyway.
Don't press the green button.
Don't press never press the button. No, it's fantastic. So we're going to put this outside the mechatronics lab on the 3rd floor. Look at that lovely roller chain. What challenges did you have with this project?
Our biggest challenge was getting the parts initially.
Yeah.
Because it was difficult to find all the parts we needed. So once spring break rolled around, we got most of our parts. Everything it used to
Just getting parts delivered.
Yeah, and there's random custom brackets that we had to make here and there, but overall it came together in the end. So.
Yeah, I know you were talking about planetary gears. What else, if we had unlimited money, is there anything else we could have put in there? That's a hard question anyway. I think you got most of the mechanical drives covered.
Every mechanical drive we had, we put in there.
Yeah, I don't think there's many other types of gears that are available that you've hit every type of gear and belt. You know, but no, a lovely job, guys. It really is. So look, best of luck out in the real world. You know, this was a lot of fun. So take it easy.